Welcome everybody. It's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to say thank you guys so much again for watching, subscribing, and sharing the video all over the world. Appreciate it. And bless up yourself, bless up others. I want to say thank you guys so much again for welcoming me back into the YouTube world. As you guys know, I was injured last year, and I spent a year recovering and genuinely trying to bring back my confidence and build up my self-esteem all over again. So I just want to say thank you guys again so much for the support that I've gotten out, behind the scenes. It's been a year now since the accident happened, and I'm very happy that I'm alive and well after the stroke. So again, thank you guys so much for all the encouragement, all the love that I've gotten. Much love, much appreciated. Thank you. Now today we're going to talk about the anomaly that is Cristiano Ronaldo. Why is Cristiano Ronaldo playing the way he is, and why is he not the striker that we expect of Cristiano Ronaldo? No, there's a lot of things going on about Cristiano Ronaldo at this moment, whether it's because, is this his age? Is it the legs that he's lost? He's not as quick as he used to be. Is it something mental going? Is this confidence? Is it these family issues that he's been worried about since the summer? I don't know. None of us knows what's going on. But what we do know is that on the field, Cristiano Ronaldo complete shit. Complete shit. And at first his link-up play wasn't good under Ten Hag. And we saw that. But I thought, all right, maybe it's bad because of, him losing, didn't have much going on because he didn't play a lot of preseason games. Fine. All right, cool. But he's been training with Ten Hag's team this entire time, playing football. So why is it that's preventing him from playing good and playing great? What is it that's preventing him from playing good, and playing great football? Nobody knows. It's just that the football that he's playing right now is just complete shit. So I have to ask myself, why is it that he's not playing well? Why is it that he's not scoring? The game that he last played yesterday for Manchester United was complete shit. His link-up play was okay, but his finishing is just absolute shit. Cristiano Ronaldo is not a player for confidence. He doesn't rely on confidence like Marshall does, because he just gets the ball and score. What we've seen him over the past 10, 20 years, massive football that he's been playing. But we're not seeing that from him right now. And I have to ask myself, why? Why is it that he's not playing well? Could it be that he didn't have any preseason because he stayed in Portugal? He didn't have any preseason, trained by himself mostly. Meanwhile, the rumors are running around by his head every day, talking about where he's going, where he's not going, what he's doing. He hasn't been playing football in the preseason. So maybe because he lacked preseason, he's not playing well. He didn't have preseason last year when he came from Juventus, but he played well last year. So what's going on? That couldn't be the reason. Was it his head is gone because he's not playing Champions League football? So now he's trying to mentally get back into football, but because of the lack of Champions League football, it's kind of mental blockage on him because his greatness is thriving within the Champions League realm, and he cannot play a decent football because of that. Maybe is it that he lost a baby? One of his twins died during his wife's delivery. Maybe that's caused it's had an effect on him, his son, and maybe that's the reason why he's just a little bit slight right now. But he did play last season after his wife had that baby, had that mishap with the baby, and he did score. He did play well, so that couldn't be the reason. What is it, fam? Why is it that we're not seeing free scoring Ronaldo? Well, I know the reason why. I definitely know the reason why. Remember, last year, Rashford didn't play well. Sancho didn't play well. Bruno didn't play well. Marshall was missing the first half of the season. He went to Sevilla, missing again the first half of the season. But in this season, this current season that they're playing right now with Ten Hag, they're playing very, very well. Why? That's because the entire team is not just looking for Ronaldo anymore. The entire team is not feeding in the ball anymore. The entire team is playing as a team. Preseason, you saw them play intricate football, passes, goal, passes, goal. In preseason, you saw how Ten Hag want them to play Ten Hag football, and they played well in preseason. No, forgive the first two goal games, forgive the last game against Man City. But all those games that they played very good football. Ronaldo was involved in those games. They're not pushing the ball to Ronaldo like how they pushed it when he was at Real Madrid, like how they pushed it when he was at Juventus. And he's not getting that. There's no Cristiano Ronaldo focus anymore, but there's a team focus. And I think that that mindset is blocking his ability to play football. Because they're not looking for the number 7 anymore. He has to find himself in spaces to get the ball. They're not just looking for him anymore. He has to make moves to get the ball. He has to sit and then move. Go, get the ball, move. He hasn't played like that since he left Manchester United. And that's getting to him big time. Because Ten Hag knows how he wants to play football. And if you're not playing like Ten Hag wants, you're not playing. No, he has to adjust. He's going to leave in January, or his contract ends in September, but he has to play the way he wants to play. He has to change his mindset in order to play in this team. Because don't get me wrong, I still think there's a Ronaldo in there who can score goal after goal after goal. But you have to get your mind out of that football game that you're playing. Because honestly, if you don't, the game's going to go away from you. Martial came back and looks like a man in a heat. Remember, Martial didn't play in the last World Cup when they made the World Cup finals and won the World Cup, because Mourinho took his spot out of the team and then he fell out of the French team. No, he's playing like a man, mad and ready to play. He got back from injury out of preseason, play against Liverpool, set up a goal. Came back from injury, play against Man City, score 2 goals. Play this today, score a goal as soon as he come on, 1-touch goal. I've never seen Martial like this since he got to Manchester United. The first season when he got to Manchester United and scored about 17 goals. This Martial here is going to be deadly for the rest of the season. Now he has to step up his game, or you'll watch Martial play every freaking game. Rashford, the same thing. He's back from injury-free, and he's playing like a man in heat, ready for win, for go to World Cup, ready to qualify for the World Cup. I mean, qualify himself personally because he has made the team. He hasn't been picked for the team for England. Sancho look like he started off on fire, slow down a little bit, but it could be a Sancho in the World Cup team as well. So we need Rashford, we need Cristiano Ronaldo to step up his game and step it up big time. We need you as a team. We need you as fans. We need you to score. I need you to finish this season off on a high so you can leave Manchester United as the boss that you always are and always will be. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Tell your friends, your family about the channel. The 4th official. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Big up man you always. Thank you again. Manaz.